Well, a Supreme Court judge has today decided that Mr Spedding faced a malicious prosecution when he was charged with historic child sex offences which were later found to be unproven. And he has awarded him almost $1.5 million in damages. The police will also have to pay for his legal costs on top of that. Now, this all relates to the disappearance of William Tyrrell, as we know, the 3-year-old boy who disappeared from his foster grandmother's home in September 2014. And that has since become one of the state's biggest, most high-profile investigations. And the year after he disappeared, Mr Spedding, a washing machine repairman, was publicly identified by police as a suspect in the case when they searched his home. He had been at William's foster mother's house in the days before his disappearance to fix her washing machine. Soon after they searched his house, they then charged him with these historic child sex offences. But then in a trial in 2018, they were found to be unproven. He was found not guilty, and it was said in court that that was part of an old legal battle and that perhaps those allegations were malicious. So that is when he decided to sue New South Wales Police for malicious prosecution. Police have since come out and said that he is no longer a suspect in the William Tyrrell case either. And so this case for malicious prosecution has been going on for quite some time. And today that decision means that the judge has sided with Mr Spedding, that those allegations were unproven. And that has come as a huge relief to Mr Spedding, as you can imagine. And he spoke outside court today about how that decision has impacted him today.
Publicly portrayed me as a pedophile. My reputation was severely and permanently damaged. My family life was torn apart. Our grandkids were taken from us, and their lives also have changed forever. No sum of money will restore the life I enjoyed before this terrible nightmare. I was prosecuted for crimes I did not commit, all in the hope that my prosecution would further the police investigation of me as a suspect in the disappearance of William Tyrrell.
Now, as I said, Mr Spedding has since been cleared of any involvement in William Tyrrell's disappearance, and those historic child sex allegations which were unproven were unrelated to the investigation. Now, we are still yet to hear the judge's reasons for this decision today. He will hopefully publish those any minute now, and that will tell us why he believes this was a malicious prosecution and how he believes that has impacted Mr Spedding's life.
OK, Leah Harris reporting there from Sydney.